Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with something new to my channel. It is the Cookie Crush Company, or the Cookie Crush Co. I found it on Etsy, and for $29.99 each month, you get a variety of cookies. You get either 16 to 20 in your box, and I am excited for this. My husband and I love sweet stuff, and what can I say? So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for January. When you receive the box, it comes in a mailer like this, and we have some packing paper, and we have packing peanuts. Let me just dump those out, and then inside is your box. See if I can get this out easier. Okay, peanuts everywhere. So here is the box, and here is some of his information. Now, there is something you need to know. It's made in a cottage food operation, so it's not subject to Georgia's food safety regulations, and it gives you all of his information about what is inside the cookies, any allergy warnings, things like that. So, as we open this, oh, and here we have his card. This is by Chef Justin Johnson. And we have a bunch of these little things. I'm going to put these right back in the box. Get as much out as I can. And here are my cookies. So it looks like they're packaged in packages of 2. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I have 16 cookies in here. So let's see what kind they are. So we have peppermint mocha. They're individually wrapped, or well, they're wrapped in pairs of 2 in saran wrap. Here's another peppermint mocha. And we have 2 red velvet. We have 2 pecan praline. My husband will really like those. And then we have Belgium chocolate. So it looks like a Belgium chocolate chip. So let's go ahead and try one. We've been waiting. My husband is like, so when are you going to film this video so that we can start eating these cookies? And I'm like, stand by, I'll get it done. So as I unwrap it, here we go. Here is what the cookie looks like. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, so it's a soft cookie. That's very good. Now, I am sure that the rest of them are just as good. Should I try another one? Let's try the peppermint mocha. I bet that one's good. Saves me time in the kitchen. So here is the peppermint mocha. This one was a little bit crunchier, but not like snap crunchy, but very delicious. So, Chef Justin, you're doing a cookie proud. If you are interested in getting this subscription yourself, it is a monthly subscription. He's got many other things available on Etsy. You can just buy one flavor or just a one-off if you like, but I went ahead and subscribed. So I'm going to get cookies each month. I probably shouldn't. Oh, but they're so good. Well, I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.